Hello children, Standard 7. Now we have completed the preamble and the objectives mentioned under the preamble. Today we are going to do objectives of the Constitution. So what are the objectives which are mentioned in our Constitution? It mentions justice, then we have liberty, we have equality, we have fraternity, and nowadays we have one more, it's integrity. So, the objectives of the Constitution: justice, liberty, equality, fraternity, and integrity. Now, we'll be doing what is the meaning of justice here? Here it means all the citizens of India are equal in the eyes of law, irrespective of their caste, gender, race, or religion. It means all citizens are equal, whether they belong to any caste, they belong to any gender, race, or religion. Now we have the preamble mentions three types of justice. Okay, so how many types of justice the preamble mentions? It mentions three types of justice, and they are social justice, economic justice, and political justice. Next, what is social justice? Social justice refers to the creation of an Indian society where there is no discrimination against anyone based on caste, race, gender, or religion. Okay, no discrimination. No discrimination means no difference. In the society, no difference. Okay, and there's no difference based on the caste, based on the race, gender, and religion. Next to justice, we have economic justice. Now, what is economic justice? Economic justice bridge the gap between the rich and the poor. Bridge the gap means there should not be any gap between the rich and the poor. Everyone is equal in the society. Political justice implies that every Indian citizen has right to vote and or they get elected to any office of the country irrespective of his religion, caste, gender, education or financial background. So here political justice means every citizen, okay, every citizen, Indian citizen has a right to vote without any discrimination. So we completed three types of justice, that is social justice, economic justice and political justice. Next we have liberty. Liberty means freedom. So the preamble declares that every Indian citizen has a liberty or has a freedom. Freedom of thought, freedom of expression, freedom of belief, freedom of faith, and freedom of worship. Okay, and it considered to be the basic rights every individual needs. Okay, this is the basic right where every individual they need this. What they need, what type of liberty we are talking about? We are talking about the freedom of thought, freedom of expression, freedom of belief, freedom of faith, and freedom of worship. Next objective of the preamble of the Constitution, it's equality. It means everyone is equal. There is a equality of status, equality of opportunity in the country. So what it means? This means the Indian state shall not discriminate, shall not do any difference against anyone due to his or her status, due to his or her caste, religion, race or gender. Okay, the laws of the land are applicable equally to all the citizens of the country. Next we have fraternity. Last but not the least, our preamble also contains the word fraternity. Now, what is the meaning of fraternity? Fraternity means ensuring brotherhood among all the citizens of the country. What is the meaning of fraternity? Ensuring brotherhood among all the citizens of the country. Means promoting brotherhood is very essential in a remarkably diverse country like India. So we completed the objectives of the preamble to the constitution, where I explained to you justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. The next we have features. Features of the Constitution of India. Now when we speak about the features of the Constitution of India, there are so many features. Our constitution is a written constitution. It is the lengthiest or the largest constitution. It is both the rigid and flexible. It provides us freedom of a federal form of government. Then we have parliament. It has got parliamentary system. Then fundamental rights, directive principles of state policy, single citizenship, and universal adult franchise. So these are the things which are mentioned in these are the things which are features of the constitution of our country. So what type of constitution we are having? We have written constitution. Okay, we have written constitution. So here you see the Indian constitution. The Indian constitution is a written constitution. Okay, that means here unlike the British constitution means the British constitution is unwritten constitution. Okay, so here how the British people they follow. So here the British people have an uncodified constitution as there is no single document that can be classed as Britain constitution. Britain, then how people of Britain they follow this constitution. So Britain follows laws, customs and conventions built up over the years. They follow their uncodified constitution by laws, customs and conventions built up over the years. So here Indian constitution is a written constitution, whereas the British constitution is unwritten constitution. Next we have Indian constitution is not only a written constitution, it is also the lengthiest constitution of the world. Understood here? It is also the lengthiest constitution in the world. Means it is also the most detailed in the entire world. This can be gauged from the fact that originally it had 395 articles and 8 schedule. It means when constitution was adopted at that time only it had 395 articles and 8 schedule. Today the number is more and it is divided into many different parts, which shows that the Indian constitution is the lengthiest constitution in our world. Okay, but then why it has become the lengthiest constitution? Because the constitution makers they referred the constitution of different countries and have written all the good points in our constitution, which makes our constitution a largest or the lengthiest constitution in the world. Okay, so we'll be doing other features in the next video. So today's class we completed objectives of the constitution and some of the features of the constitution of India. Please learn. Thank you.